Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily change the LED light mode in your JBL Partybox on the go too. So here, as you can see, we do have the JBL Partybox on the go to application, which is called the JBL Partybox. And once you are here, you need to tap HueyLight Control. As you can see here, you can disable or enable the parts of the LED lights on the speaker. But if everything is enabled, we can just select if you want the neon one, loop, bounce, trim, switch, or freeze, or random. My favorite one actually is random. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.